Hello, teachers. I'm here to show you how to generate an assessment with Knowt. So right on the home page, you're going to see assessments and you could just click create. And then there's a bunch of different options that you could choose from, which is awesome. So you can describe and create the assessment that you want to have, and it'll create a traditional or a writing assessment from a topic that you enter. You could also create from a PDF, a PowerPoint, a video or audio, create from scratch, create using SAT, ACT, or the AP library, which is so helpful for high school students, or to create an SAT, ACT, or AP mock exam. So if you need anything for test prep, we've got your back. I am going to very quickly show you how to just describe and create a traditional assessment. So if I go to assessment type, traditional, confirm, and I am going to enter the topic or standard. So I would like to create an assessment on the states of matter. And it's really cool because I could have Knowt improve this objective for me. So let's spice up my writing. Oh, wow, that's so much better and more specific. Excellent. I'm going to accept that. And the grade that I'm teaching is 8th grade. I can select the language, pick my standards to get even more specific. And then I can also toggle the different types of questions. So right now it's set up to 8 multiple choice and 2 true and false, but I would really like it to be 6 multiple choice, 2 true and false, and 2 short answer questions for my 8th grade students to really challenge them. All right, so Kai is now setting up that assignment for me. And now I have an assessment on the states of matter, particles, and energy. So you can see that the questions are all there on the right-hand side. And it has the number of multiple choice questions that I wanted, the number of true and false questions that I wanted, and then those open-ended as well. And when I scroll back up to the top, I could add it to a class, or I could continue to edit or assign right from this page. So it is super easy to create an assessment with Knowt, and this is just the creating from a prompt option, but you have all those other options to explore as well.